All right, we have a Maytag dryer here, and we're going to be showing you how to replace the console or user interface here. Some of the issues you can have would be communication error. So there's going to be certain error codes that'll show for that, and you could have buttons that don't work, things like that. Very rare cases, you could have issues with, not drying, or some different issues that you would think would be the electronic control board, but could actually be with the user interface here. So we'll go ahead and get into it here. I'm going to shut that off and shut the power off to this first. All right, so there are going to be 3 1/4-inch screws on the back of this console. All right, so we got the 3 screws out at the back here. Now we're going to release the 2 clips on each side that hold this down. I'm going to use a skinny putty knife here. Push in on the tab and lift up on the panel to release it. Now we can slide it forward. Tip it up here. So we're going to have these 2 wires here, connection here, and then at the board. I guess we'll go ahead and for this one, I'm just gonna remove the wires at the control panel here. So this one, the washers come as one whole assembly where you get this whole piece. The dryer here, at least on this, so we're going to be removing these screws, these 1/4-inch screws here to separate this. So now, flip this back around here, and this front piece, your touch panel here, we'll pull off. Take the knob off, that'll just pull straight off of there. And so this is what we're replacing here. All right, so got the new one here. Clean the lint off of here. The new one actually comes with the knob. We'll get this set in place. Flip it back around here and get our screws back in. All right, now we can plug it back in. We'll put this back on. We got these 2 tabs here. They're going to go in these 2 rear slots. Then you push it back and push it down, lock it in place, and reinstall the 3 1/4-inch screws. And it's ready to be turned on and tested out for proper operation.